Kia ora, yo, it's Roz and Flo.
Hey.
This week, how to make the perfect band stars. Just hands, sparkles. Number 1, make a track.
That sounds good. How does it go again?
Oh. Number 2, do a band stars clip. We just got out of school. What are we gonna do? We're gonna get started on the things that we heart, like rainbows, unicorns, ramen and smart, like bunnies, slime, eating Brussels sprouts, never. And that's the way to stay best friends forever.
This is the part when I rap. I don't have a rap. Huh? Yeah. Number 3, you'll post your clip in the mail on VHS tape.
What even is that?
Band Stars has been running since the 1990s.
Whoa, the 1900s? Ancient. So that's it for today, guys.
Hold on a minute. I do have a rap.
Seriously?
This is the part when I bust out my rhymes, but it doesn't sound good because I didn't have time.
Yeah, you know how to band stars.
Thanks, I do.
Hey,
yeah, that was it.
like us on Band Stars.
Hey, my dudes, today we're going to do a video about those spinning things. So let's do it. Spinning things are pretty cool.
Here's a few of my tricks.
Finger spin. Nose spin. Oh, that was meant to happen. Sock spin. Oh.
Don't worry, mate. It'll be Bonza. You'll go off. Come on, then. Go off.
Oh, go away, Dad. You ruined it now. Pull stick spin. Whoa! A spinning thing hitting another spinning thing. Double spinning action.
What's going on down there?
Nothing, Dad. And for my last trick, up on the roof spin. Right, let's go.
Dinner?
What?
No.
Ah! Hey guys, the roof challenge was epic, but I have to stay inside now. I mean, I've only broken my arm once this year and it didn't even hurt. So yeah, that's it for today, dudes. Kina, out.
Hi dudes, welcome to
Marlin's channel.
Yes, the big day has arrived. We're going to be unboxing the latest action figure from Voxen Episode 7. This is going to be massive. Oh, hold it. Back in a jiffy. Stay right there.
I've been saving up, and this afternoon I'm going to buy a pet from the pet shop. Oh, cool. What are you going to get? A puppy? A bunny? A turtle? An ant? I'm not very good at saving.
Shoo! Right, one box opener. So now I'm going to go ahead and unbox this thing to see exactly what we have here. This is going to be good. This is going to be epic. Awesome Von Plot, Nemesis dude from Voxen Episode 7. The Crystal Shard of Life Foosh, yes! Shoot, cat, whatever it's called. Katie Cat, blah. Hi everybody, it's me, Von Plot.
Hi, Von. Thanks for joining us. Yay!
Bye everyone. So that's it today. Like this video. Here's my most popular video so far. That's got like a bajillion likes. My favorite one's got like 8. Oh! Space potato, yay! Oh no, like 7. So get liking! Yay!
No, don't worry, Auntie. We won't make a mess. No, we're not making flour and slime bombs anyway today. Kia ora. Today it's the Exploding Watermelon Challenge.
Nothing's happening. Uh-oh, something's happening.
It's starting to change shape.
Whoa!
We should try this on a slime bomb.
How many rubber bands will go on? This is crazy. It has to explode. explode soon.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Has anyone ever done this?
Come on, Marvin. Let's do it.
Oh, okay, yeah, it'll be good. I'll just put the camera under my arm.
Go, dude. Hey, Marvin, you're meant to be filming. Oh, hey.
Oh, I didn't get the shot.
Stink.
Do we have any more watermelons left? Nah.
Hide am I.
Auntie!
Don't worry, I got the shot.
Oh, hey. That was fast. You had time to make a clip?
Oh, yeah. And my next clip's entitled, The Kids Tidy Up the Yard.
So thanks. Like, subscribe, say hi. Bye.